Hello again, everyone. In a previous video, we were seeing different tips on how to get reliable sources of information for you to write a literature review. In this second video of the series, we're going to be showing how to make a web search and which sites we can use so that we can get reliable sources of information. Okay. In a previous video, I showed you this slide where you could see different um, different platforms where you can search for journal articles. Okay, and some of them that I would like to show you today are ERIC and Google Scholar, so that you can see how they work and how you can make sense of the information you get. First, as you open ERIC, it opens this way, and you can see how the information you get there and ERIC is accessible through this this search here. I'm gonna open a new page so that you can see how it goes. Okay. Okay, there you go. We're here online. We're checking the ERIC platform. ERIC stands for Institute of Educational Sciences. Okay, here I'm gonna tap on something of my interest, topic of my interest. So I'll go for CLIL. Say content and language integrated instruction. As you tap the topic of your interest and you go search, you're gonna find all these results. These are articles that you can see. You see, you have direct links, you have downloadable full text, and so on. Not all of them are downloadable. Sometimes when you open the direct links and you see you have to pay for the article, for example, but it's not accessible and you need to pay for it. Sometimes they do give you a direct link for you to download, but other times they charge you money for doing that. For you to avoid that, what you need to do is to click on full available articles, so that all you get is this, all the articles that are downloadable and that they are complete for you to read. One more thing is when you do this search under these conditions, not having checked any of these options, you get more results. You're expected to get more results because they're including different types. You see 1,445 articles, and just in the year 2022. But if we go full available on ERIC and we tap it, you just have 444. So it's by third, it's reduced by third. You see, and this one since 2021 it was reduced by half. So now you see that if you hit full text available on ERIC, you get all the downloadable articles available. Same thing here. If you tap peer review article, that means that the articles you're getting are more reliable because before being published they have been revised by other researchers and investigators. Let's do it. Okay, let's tap the search button, and then you see you have less articles here. You have only 406. So once you're done here, you simply download your article and you start reading it. Okay, that's it. You've got the article. The first thing you begin with the abstract, and that's something you're going to be doing in any of the other platforms. If you're interested in many articles, you just scroll down. You can search by date. If you're only interested in on articles that are recent articles, you tap on the years here, and you can include only the 2022 articles, and then you're gonna see what are the latest articles that have been published on the topic. Okay, as you read, you're gonna find of your interest. You're gonna find different different articles that you're gonna see if they are associated to the topic of your interest. One more thing here is Google Scholar. If you go over Google Scholar, and Google Scholar is nice. Okay, content. Let's try to find the same thing. Content and language integrated learning. It didn't say instruction. They say learning. You see, you find articles here, and they have the PDF here where they are available, so you can hit here and get the articles. They do not open in a separate um, tab. So what you need to do is you need to go back to Google Scholar here after reading the abstract or the introduction. The abstract, you're not you see this is not akin to your purposes. One thing I like about Google Scholar is that you can get a complete citation from the APA format here, and what you really need to care for is only the capitalization, that sometimes they make some mistakes, such as here, for example, annual review of applied linguistics. Applied linguistics must be capitalized. Okay, just the first letters, I mean. Okay, but this is it. You just copy it, and then you check for capital letters and other details in the APA format. Okay, this is it. This is the way you try to find articles and this type of platforms. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video of this series.